Good morning, student. The next article is normal Zeeman effect for single valence electron system. In this article, we have already seen the um, experiment when a flame kept in pipes of pole a strong electromagnet. He found that a single spectral line split up into three components. We have already seen in the Zeeman experiment. One line having larger frequency, other having lower frequency than the frequency of the original line, and third one having frequency of the original line. Such splitting effect is called as normal Zeeman effect. As electron has two motions, first one is orbital motion and second one is spin motion. But due to application of strong magnetic field, LS coupling gets broken and splitting is due to vector L only. Splitting is vector L only. If we neglect the spin of electron, then angular momentum possessed by electron is given as PL is equal to L into H upon 2 pi, or PL is equal to L into H cross. Okay. The orbital magnetic moment is given by mu L is equal to E into L H upon 4 pi M, or mu L is equal to E upon 2M into PL. Now, in presence in external magnetic field, the vector L possesses around the field direction. Such direction is called as Larmor precession. We have already seen in last chapter Larmor precession. The precessional frequency is given as omega L is equal to H into mu L upon PL, or omega L is equal to E upon 2M into EH. This is equation number 1. This is Larmor frequency or precessional frequency. H is taken as magnetic field. This H is taken as magnetic field. Mu L upon PL is the gyromagnetic ratio. Okay. The electron gains an additional energy due to this precision, which can be written as delta E is equal to omega L into projection of orbital angular momentum. Projection of orbital angular momentum on the field direction, means which cos theta, direction is the cos theta. Therefore, what is the value of omega L? E upon 2M into EH. And what is the value of projection of orbital angular momentum on the field direction EH? PL into cos of theta. Solve this equation. EH upon 2M into LH upon 2 pi into cos of theta, or delta E is equal to EH capital H into H upon 4 pi M into ML, where ML is equal to L cos theta. This is the value of ML. ML means L cos theta, where ML takes 2L plus 1 and its value is minus L to 0 to plus L. The value of ml is minus L, 0 and plus L. Hence, a magnetic field splits up each energy level 2L plus 1. Put the value of L and calculate the value or splitting. Calculate the value of splitting. Therefore, the sub-level separation being EH upon 4 pi m. This is the separation. EH upon 4 pi m is the separation. Okay. If if E1H and E2H are the energies of two levels, in presence of magnetic field. In presence of magnetic field, if E1 and E2 being energies in absence of magnetic field, H means magnetic field, absence of magnetic field with ml values, being ml1 first energy and ml2, this is the second energy. Then E1H is equal to E1 plus ml1 EHH upon 4 pi m. This is the equation number 2. Similarly, E2H is equal to E2 plus ml2 EHH upon 4 pi m. This is equation number 3. These are the two energies, initial and final energies. Hence, a radiation will be emitted in presence of magnetic field. Therefore, E1H minus E2H is equal to E1 minus E2 plus EHH. This value will be common, EHH upon 4 pi m, in bracket remaining value is ml1 minus ml2. This is the equation of, or H nu is equal to H nu 0 plus EHH upon 4 pi m into delta ml, changing the value of ml, or nu is equal to nu 0, same term will be cancelled, remaining term written as EH upon 4 pi m into delta ml. Okay, where nu 0 is the frequency of a line in absence of magnetic field. The splitting will be observed, which is based on selection rule. Which is selection rule? Delta ml is equal to 0 or plus minus 1, means plus 1, 0 and minus 1. This is the selection rule. Now we can write this equation in this selection rule. There are three possible lines. First one is nu1 is equal to nu0 for delta ml is equal to 0. This is equation number 4. Then second one is nu2 is equal to nu0 plus EH upon 4 pi m for delta ml is equal to plus 1. And third one is nu3 is equal to nu0 minus EH upon 4 pi m for delta ml is equal to minus 1. This is equation number 5 and this is equation number 6. These three splittings, first, second and third. This splitting for delta ml is equal to 0, nu1 is equal to nu0 for delta ml is equal to 0, nu2 is equal to nu0 plus EH upon 4 pi m or delta ml is equal to plus 1, nu3 is equal to nu0 minus EH upon 4 pi m is for delta ml is equal to minus m. In a magnetic field, the energy of particular atomic states depend on the values of ml, either positive, either negative or 0. Okay, this is the equation for normal Zeeman effect for single valence electron system.